Hi everyone, I want to introduce you to our fun June mystery yarn box surprise. It's kind of a surprise. We're doing an impromptu giveaway. So each box has this fun little card, this one right here, and on the back of the card there is a unique number. So each card has its own unique number, and at the end of the month we are going to do a raffle. So at least one person's gonna win a $100 gift card. I don't know, we may raffle off more, but we're also including some fun little extra prizes in a select number of mystery yarn boxes. So that's really what I want to talk about right now. So right now I'm going to pack this mystery yarn box with some of my favorite things that I like to do in the summertime. I love to color. I love art. I love making art and doodling. That's one of my favorite things to do. So this has this is an extra fine marker set with all these lovely colors. And that's actually one of the things I'm going to get ready to do in the next month is start my new planner, and I think I'm going to grab this marker set for that. The other thing that we are including is one of my favorite coloring books. So what I love about this coloring book is there's a lot of woodland animals. It's seasonal, so there's a couple of pages for every season. And it's just something fun to doodle on. It's something fun to do when maybe it's too hot, or if I want to just do something else. So look for the mystery yarn boxes with extra fun little things in them. Just a reminder, only a select number of mystery yarn boxes have some additional items in them, but everybody is eligible for the giveaway. Make sure to use our hashtag #ShareWithMary and follow us on all of our social media profiles. Happy crafting!